In this video, I'll show you how to add a coupon field to your WooCommerce checkout page. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so throughout this video, I'll show you how to go ahead and enable the coupon field on your checkout page. Not only that, but I'll show you how you can actually increase the conversion rate on your WooCommerce checkout page by using an optimized checkout like this one here, powered by the all-in-one checkout plugin. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's get straight into it. To achieve this, it's pretty straightforward. We just need to navigate over to WooCommerce and then settings. Okay, and we just need to scroll down to where it says enable coupons, and we just want to make sure we enable this option here. So with this option enable, it will automatically display the coupon field on the cart page and on the checkout page. So then we just hit save changes. Let's go ahead and preview this. Okay, so we can see the coupon field here, and if we go to the checkout, we can also see this coupon field here as well. Okay, now let's go ahead and optimize the user experience. And to do so, we'll be using the all-in-one checkout plugin by AOVUp. I'll leave a link in the description below, or you can just head over to aovup.com. All right, so with that being said, let's head back over to our dashboard. So I've already got the AOVUp core plugin uploaded and installed. So now I'm just going to install the all-in-one checkout plugin. So I'm going to use the free version and the pro version. You can use the free version as well if you want. That's fine. So let's install the pro version. Okay, and now let's go ahead and activate both these plugins. We can navigate over to the dashboard, and now we'll click on AIO checkout. Okay, so we're going to create a new checkout flow. So we'll just click create new checkout here, and I'm going to go ahead and select this modern column template here. Let's navigate over to thank you page. So we can customize the thank you page, or we can just leave it to the default WooCommerce thank you page. So I'm just going to select one of our predefined templates here. We can create one from scratch as well. So I'll leave a link on screen to a particular video showing you how to do so. Now let's head over to fields. So from here, we can actually customize the fields. So we can add new fields to our checkout, or we can actually remove certain fields. So for example, we might not need the phone field. We might not need the state field, or even the last name, for example. Okay, so let's just quickly add an additional field just to show you how it looks. So we can say URL, so we can drag and drop it to wherever we want. Okay, and now we'll just head over to settings. We'll go ahead and enable this checkout flow, and we'll set this as our global checkout. We can give it a name, it's just for internal purposes. We can customize the place order button. So I think by default, it says place order. We can say something like complete order, and we can also include the price in the call to action button, right? Just to make it super clear what it is they're actually paying for. Let's go ahead and save changes. Okay, and now let's refresh this page. Okay, perfect. This looks a lot better, right? So as well, we can add our store logo here, and here's a coupon field. So let's just quickly add our store logo, and we'll also enable cart editing on the checkout page as well. So let's go back to the general settings page. Let's go settings. Let's allow customers to edit their basket whilst they're on the checkout page. Let's go ahead and upload our logo. And I'm going to set the logo width to maybe 100 pixels. Let's hit save, and now let's refresh this page. Okay, and this looks loads better, so that's fine. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave in the comment box.